image metadata. And just in case you don't know what the hell image metadata is, let me quickly tell you while I'm waiting for this to catch up. Image metadata is what things like Google and add a file, and to a lesser degree eBay and things like that all use to figure out what is on an image. And it's done as a result of people who are visually impaired needing to see what an image actually represents so they can get a better understanding of that and how that's actually used. So, open that. So image metadata has become incredibly important. It is, I believe, a ludicrously simple way to get an SEO advantage on Amazon. It is free to do the way I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to give you a paid way to do it as well. And the results can be striking, can be utterly striking. We regularly see products that we have done this to get 10 places, jump up 10 places in the Amazon search engine results just from doing this. We've been doing this at AOE for freaking ages. I know somebody told me the other day that they saw a webinar where it was presented as the latest thing on Amazon, which I always think is hilarious. Because it's only the latest if you're not in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. If you're in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, we've been doing it for friggin' ages. Anyway, so here's what you use. That's the software there. It's called Adobe Bridge. I'll give you the link to that in just a second, but you've got the link there if you're watching the recording. Dead easy to do. This is what it looks like. I've just screenshotted it for you. You just go and download it. Now I'm on a Mac, and so this is how it looks on my Mac. Comes up as what's called a DMG file. If you're using a computer, a PC, it will be a little bit different, but same but different, all right? No, I'm not going to help you. No, I'm not your tech support. That's what happens next on a Mac. Then you have to create a Adobe account if you don't already have one. Very, very simple. Just create an account. Put that you're a beginner for personal use and you're the only person using it. And then it will install. And when you open it, you start by going to File, and then you go to what's called File Info. You've got to put your images in, of course. And then once that appears, once you get to it, that little pop-up appears, and that's where you can add the image metadata. Okay, super easy to do. And then all you need to do is take the title from your Amazon product details page and copy and paste it into the description area. That's it. If you've got more images and you want to do all your images, and of course you should, your image number 2 should be your first bullet point, image number 3 your second bullet point, etc. Then you save all your images, and then you upload your images to Amazon, and then you've got image metadata on your Amazon listings, and you will get a bump in SEO for sure. Now, if that all sounds too complicated for you to do and you're thinking, screw that, then outsource it. Here's a geezer on Fiverr who I use to outsource it, and other shit I do as well. He's super cool. He'll just do it for you for $5, all right? $5. And if he's too busy to do it for you, then there's a link there to get it done. Now, you're probably thinking, but Neil, what the heck? We need, you bastard, we need the actual thing for that. So, what I've got for you again is, ding, here you go. Is the links here. I'm going to put it in here, send to all, and then what I'll also do for you as well, because I'm such a benevolently generous bloke, scanning for viruses, is I'll also put this in our group too. So you've got that too. And again, that's all in the V3 of the new AOE training. And there's actually some of that's been ready. It is, let me tell you, a monumental task to do it, but some of it's ready, and what I'm doing is going through everything, and I'm hoping to have that done completely by the end of the month. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.